Most people think you need a higher income to feel rich, but the truth is, there's a simple rule that changes your entire financial life. And it has nothing to do with how much you make. The rule is called the gap rule. And once you understand it, money stops feeling tight, stress goes down, and saving becomes automatic. The gap rule says this: the space between what you earn and what you spend is your real wealth, not your job title, not your paycheck, not your degrees, just the gap. If your gap is small, you feel broke. If your gap is wide, you feel free. Let's take two people. Daniel makes $90,000 a year. Katie makes $55,000. On paper, Daniel should be doing better, but he spends almost everything he earns. Luxury car, high rent, daily takeout. His gap, barely $50 a month. Katie, on the other hand, keeps her lifestyle simple. She spends intentionally. She automates her savings. Her gap, $450 a month. The result? Katie builds wealth faster, even with a much smaller income. Step 1, calculate your real gap. Take your monthly income. Subtract your actual monthly spending, not what you think you spend, what you truly spend. Step 2, increase the gap from both sides. You can widen the gap in two ways: spend less on things that don't matter, or earn slightly more from things that do. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need a wider space. Step 3, automate the gap. Whatever your gap is, $20, $100, or $400, move it automatically into savings or investments. Don't wait. Don't decide weekly. Decide once. Step 4, protect the gap. Avoid lifestyle creep. When your income grows, keep your spending the same for 1 year. That single habit builds thousands without effort. Today, find your real gap, even if it's small. Then create one automatic transfer that moves it out of your checking. Let it grow quietly. Your gap is your freedom number.